Welcome to the exciting world of self motivation. As marketers, we are constantly challenged to stay inspired, driven, and focused in an ever evolving landscape. Whether you're working independently or as part of a team, self motivation is the fuel that propels us toward our goals and ensures our success in this dynamic field. The initial factor to contemplate when establishing your self motivation is get focused with your personal V2MOM. As a marketer, applying the V2MOM framework can be incredibly beneficial to staying focused and achieving your goals effectively. Vision: define your marketing vision. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving sales, or launch a new product. Having a clear vision sets the direction for your marketing strategy and keeps you aligned with your overarching goals. And for values, identify the core values that guide your marketing approach. This could include integrity, creativity, customer centricity, or innovation. Adhering to your values ensures that your marketing efforts are authentic and resonate with your target audience. And for methods, outline actionable steps to execute the marketing strategy. This includes determining which channels to use, creating content calendars, setting up campaigns, and allocating resources effectively. Breaking down your strategy into tangible methods makes it easier to implement and track progress. And for obstacles, anticipate potential obstacles that may hinder your marketing efforts. This could range from budget constraints to competitive challenges or changes in consumer behavior. By identifying obstacles in advance, you can develop contingency plans and mitigate their impact on your strategy. And lastly, for measures, establish key for performance indicators and metrics to track the success of your marketing initiatives. This could include metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, social media engagement, or ROI. Regularly measuring and analyzing these metrics provides valuable insights into the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and allows you to make data driven decisions. By crafting personal V2MOM tailored you to marketing objectives, you gain clarity, focus, and accountability in your approach. It serves as a roadmap to guide your marketing strategy, ensuring that you navigate through challenges and make tangible progress towards achieving your aspirations in the dynamic world of marketing. And the next aspect to consider when building your self motivation is build healthy habits. As a marketer, implementing the concept of building healthy habits can greatly enhance productivity and overall well being. Maintaining connections, foster strong relationship with clients, colleagues, and stakeholders. Regular communication and networking help build trust and rapport, leading to long term partnerships and business growth. Staying active, incorporate physical activity into your daily routine to boost energy levels and enhance cognitive function. Whether it's taking short breaks or stretching, you're organizing team activities like walking meetings, staying active improves productivity and creativity. Next is getting creative. Encourage creativity and innovation in your marketing strategies. Experiment with new ideas, storytelling techniques, and visual content to engage your audience and differentiate your brand in a competitive market. Lastly, is the prioritizing relaxation. Recognize the importance of downtime for mental and emotional well being. Encourage your team to take regular breaks, practice mindfulness, or practice in relaxation activities to reduce stress and prevent burnout. By implementing healthy habits in your marketing approach, you can improve team morale, enhance productivity, and foster positive work culture. Ultimately, prioritizing well being leads to great creativity, efficiency, and success in achieving marketing objectives. And for the final element to consider when developing your self motivation is to unlock the power of mindfulness. Prioritizing mindfulness offers numerous benefits, including stress reduction, improved focus and memory, and better emotional regulation. By integrating mindfulness into daily routines through practices like deep breathing and self observation, marketers can enhance their overall well being and resilience. Mindfulness equips marketers with the tools to navigate challenges effectively and maintain composure in high pressure situations, ultimately leading to greater productivity and success in the dynamic field of marketing. All this learning, self-motivation is a critical component of success. By setting clear objectives, maintaining a positive mindset, and cultivating healthy habits, we can unlock our full potential in both our personal and professional lives. Self-motivation is not just a trait. It's a skill that can be developed and strengthened over time with practice and perseverance. By staying focused on our goals and believing in our ability to overcome obstacles, we can harness the power of self motivation to drive our marketing efforts toward and achieve remarkable results. With self motivation as our guiding force, the possibilities for success in the dynamic world of marketing are endless. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something in this video.